Today, I am going to show you how to broadcast your Windows computer's Wi-Fi connection to your smartphone. You can do this on any computer that has a network hosting-enabled Wi-Fi adapter installed, meaning that you won't be able to use many desktop computers for this process. Keep in mind that this process is different than using your smartphone's data as a Wi-Fi network on your computer. If your computer's Wi-Fi adapter doesn't allow you to create a hotspot, you can use Connectify to broadcast your Wi-Fi. So, before starting, click subscribe button and also bell notification so that you may watch my video at first. Open Start. Click the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of the screen. Open Settings. Click the Settings icon in the lower left side of the Start menu. The Settings window will open. Click Network and Internet. It's the globe-shaped icon in the middle of the Settings window. Click the Mobile Hotspot tab. This is on the left side of the window. Click the gray Mobile Hotspot switch. It's at the top of the page. Clicking the switch turns it on, which signifies that your computer is now broadcasting your internet connection. Review the network name and password. In the middle of the page, look at the network name and network password headings to determine the name and password for your mobile hotspot. The network name could be anything, and the password could also be anything. Connect your smartphone to your Wi-Fi network. Now that your Wi-Fi hotspot is set up on your computer, you can connect to it via your smartphone's Wi-Fi. So, we are in our smartphone. Let's go to Wi-Fi to see if it is working or not. As you can see, it is successfully connected to my PC's Wi-Fi hotspot. So, let's check by browsing. In the end, please like my video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.